snake and a fish. And I don't even, you guys don't like this one.
Okay, so our next act is Out of Focus. That's their name.
Not good. Well, now the members of Out of Focus. Now, Rachel Thorning, Kay Daniels, Prelude, Drew Phillips, and Nathaniel